Grabe, that's so crazy. Hey Blooms, welcome back again to this channel. And for today, I just wanna share how happy I am because, my gosh, Benny is going to Coachella. Woo! Ay, ang OA niya. So, I know all the Blooms out there, you are really happy right now and grabe, sobrang nakaka-proud. Ay, ang OA. Pero seriously, sobrang nakaka-proud na bigla ang lahat, na windang ang lahat na next year kasama sa lineup ang ating Beanie Girls. And grabe, sobrang nakaka-proud. My gosh! So we are all happy. And congratulations, Beanie, for making it. I know, lagi nyong gustong makapunta talaga. And dream stage nyo talaga ang Coachella. Lagi nyong minamanifest yan. And right now, it's gonna happen. It's so real. Grabe naman manifestation mo, Master Joe. And you deserve it. Nakaka-proud talaga kayo. And P-Pop Rice, OPM Rice, thank you also sa other artists na chini-cheer up and kino-congratulate ang girls natin. And of course, to Cat's Eye, my gosh, ang proud Filipina natin na si Sophia. They're going to Coachella also. Let's all support them to Team USA. Kaya nyo na yan. But of course, Filipinos are so proud of you right now. And yeah, let's go. Let's continue to share the Pinoy music. Right, so let's go. Siyempre, for today's reaction video, we're going to watch the Pini World Tour Stories full trailer. And this September 21, of course, aabangan natin lahat yan sa iWant TV. And thank you, Beanie Global, for giving us a free access for the whole year sa iWant. So, grabe naman talaga. Nakaka-proud talaga ang girls natin. Hindi tayo magsasawang suportahan sila. So, dami kong sinabi. Eto na. Panoorin na natin ang trailer kasi hindi ko pa siya napapanood. And, syempre, dapat ready tayo sa September 21. Let's start na this. My gosh, ang dami niyang sinasabi. Sobrang saya ko lang. And for sure, kayo rin. Right? Right, Blooms? Let's go. Hey!
Are you excited, Blooms?
Sobra!
Excited ako sa world tour. May ibang lugar na first time namin pupuntahan.
Sobrang overwhelming niya.
Kaya po namin to, aalis po kami ng Pinas na ready kami ulit mag-perform ng live sa harap po ng Blooms.
I'm over baggage.
Oh.
Our second home.
Hey! Bastor!
Punong-puno talaga yung arena, nakakatuwa.
Pinoy Pride! Come on!
Ang aga ko nagising.
Happy birthday!
Pag tayo nagtao ba? Ang joaya nyo.
I
Hey!
can't move all of a sudden.
Oh,
Paralyze yung buong
the Dubai
General
concert.
check-up, physical check-up.
No! What happened?
We'll start the meet and greet without Joanna.
Kaya mo pa maglaki, Jo? Ha?
I want you to go out that you know you did your best.
6 episodes! Come on! Love
Sa
that.
mga goal namin na ma-feel nila yung home while we are performing.
Hey!
saved me when I was down there.
Oh.
We love you too.
But we are out. We're just gonna learn from our mistakes.
Yung kasi sanay mag-washing.
How do you open this one?
Hey, ganda. Oh.
Pinag-ahawan natin.
Rihanna, yung mabit.
Story time, what happened in concert?
Let's go! We're excited to see that. Yes. So that's it. It's just a 2 minutes trailer and ang dami nangyari na dun ah. And ang masaya dun is 6 episodes siya. So marami tayong aabangan. Kaya naman pala isang buong taon na access to. Thank you po. And wow, kaabang-abang yung mga mangyayari. So yun lang. I hope you are waiting for it and looking forward to it, of course. So see you on September 21 sa kanilang first episode. Thank you, Blooms. I hope you are really all happy to witness all this her story, history ng Beanie. Sobrang kayo lang nakaka-proud sa Pilipinas. Sa dami-dami nangyayari, Beanie lang ang magandang nangyari sa Pilipinas. Hoy! Yun lang. Baka kung ano pa masabi ko. Bye. Ingat kayo palagi.